Hey Colt fans, this is Justin Baldini, Director of Marketing for Colt. And this week on Topic Tuesday, what we're going to talk about is two magazine-related issues on 1911s that you might come across. So check it out, we're going to help you out a little bit. So the first issue we occasionally see is magazines that won't lock the slide back. This is example of one right here. I can actually rack this pistol on an empty chamber and it won't lock the slide back. The first clue is when you hit the magazine release, it also doesn't shoot the mag out. That's because the spring on the mag isn't pressing against the slide stop. The reason for that is this follower has actually been bent a little bit. They can get overloaded and they can get just sort of banged around in range bags, or maybe it's an old mag of sort of questionable pedigree, let's say. And so what happens is, if this little tab on the follower doesn't actuate the slide stop, it could either be out of alignment horizontally, meaning it's sort of bent in. This one actually looks pretty good horizontally, or it can be vertically bent. So this one actually does look like it's bent down a little bit vertically. In order to fix that, it's pretty simple. All I'm going to do is actually take some needle nose pliers. I'm going to get in here and I'm just going to bend that up a little bit to get it a little better lined up. There's really no reason it should be kind of pointed as far down as it is there. So, and then we'll try that. And there you go. So that actually did it. So again, it's that little tab up front. It can get bent down. It can get bent to the side. Just a little bit of needle nose pliers on there and you can usually straighten it out. The second one I'm going to talk you through is similar to this. Now, what can happen is the magazine follower itself can actually become dislodged from the body to some degree. And what you usually see is the magazine will be stuck in the gun. You won't be able to get it out. You'll be pressing the magazine release. It won't come out. You can't even pull it out. And I'll tell you how to get it out. So first is first, you're not going to be able to lock the gun back using the slide stop, because what's happened is the follower of the magazine is up over the slide stop. So you're going to have to do something like pull the slide back and pin it back with this hand. And then what you want to do, we're not going to be able to really demonstrate this, but hold this back, hold this slide back, and then using a wooden dowel, go in there and depress the mag follower. So if you depress that mag follower, you're going to have to depress it pretty good to get it to get it unjammed from over the slide stop, get it down into the mag body, and then depress the mag release and get it out of the pistol. So again, the way it manifests itself is the mag will actually be stuck in the gun, and it'll be an empty mag stuck in the gun, and you'll be struggling with how to get it out. That's how you get it out. You need to use a wooden dowel to depress that follower, get it out from over the slide stop, and then you'll be able to eject that magazine. Once you do get that magazine out of there, what you want to do is you want to do two things. You want to inspect that magazine and see what's going on with it. If it's really kind of buggered up there, at that point you may want to just discard it or repair it. The other thing you're going to want to do is actually inspect the inside of the slide stop to make sure that the slide stop surface that bears against the magazine isn't damaged. So that's really this area in here. Again, if it got buggered up in that process, you may at that point want to replace the slide stop. So there you have it, Colt fans. That's two magazine-related issues that you now know a little something about. Make sure you leave us some comments below and some more ideas for next week's Topic Tuesday.